unbox na taod. Ambot og unsa ni?
Oh.
Tara.
Wow.
17 cm lang yun yung gagawin. I got you. So very, very cute. I don't expect.
Oh.
Jesus. What the hell?
The heck?
It is very cute. Let's open this one. I thought this was big.
Cute po.
17 cm lang good nga ni.
Oh.
Oh, a strap. And lock.
What?
Papel. And may ano pa siya. Yung eh. So this is the bag that I order. It is very nice. So 17 cm is small. Oh, to ara. Ingani na siya guys. Nga naanay ko an. Na siya strap. Kini. So soft leather ni siya guys. Nindot. Wala dyan siya baho. I will try this iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm gonna try to put this one here. If it's fit or not. Ta-da! There we go. Oh, it's barely fit. Okay. It's barely fit. Spacious inside. Look at that. Just like that. That. It's very cute. Social ang peg. It's very demure. Anyway, that's all for today.
Oh. Ano lang?
Hindi kay kanyo. My tablet is arrived.
It's tablet. Let's unbox this tablet.
Ano ito yung 17
Okay. Oh. Apple. Oh. Look at that.
There.
It's iPod.
Ano ito? They already installed the game. There's a game.